Welcome to English Easy Hub. Join us as we ignite the flames of your English learning journey together.
Please subscribe to watch and embark on your English learning journey. Don't miss out on the exciting content. Traveling through an airport can be an exciting yet sometimes overwhelming experience, especially for first-time travelers. This guide provides practical and straightforward conversations that can help ease the process. From checking in at the counter to passing through security and finally boarding your flight, we cover essential interactions to ensure a smooth journey.
Hi, where do I check in for my flight to New York?
Hello. Please go to counter number 5.
Thank you. Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to New York.
Sure. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag.
Please place the suitcase on the scale. You can keep the carry-on bag with you.
Okay. Is my suitcase within the weight limit?
Yes, it is. Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
I prefer an aisle seat, please.
I've assigned you an aisle seat in row 15. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate A12. Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Great, thank you. Can you also tell me how to get to gate A12?
Sure. After security, follow the signs to Terminal A, then take a right. You'll see gate A12 on your left.
Thanks for the information. By the way, is there a place where I can grab a quick bite before my flight?
Yes, there's a food court just after the security check. They have a variety of options.
Awesome, I'll check it out. How early should I be at the gate?
I recommend being at the gate at least 30 minutes before departure.
Will do. Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thanks.
Good morning. Please place your bags on the conveyor belt and take off your shoes, belt, and any metal items.
Okay. Here are my bags, and I'll remove my shoes and belt. Should I take my laptop out of my bag?
Yes. Please take your laptop and any liquids out of your bag and place them in a separate bin.
Got it. Here they are.
Please walk through the metal detector.
Sure. Do I need to take off my watch too?
Yes. Please remove your watch and place it in the bin.
Okay, I've done that.
You're all clear. You can collect your belongings. Don't forget your laptop and liquids.
Thank you. Where can I find the nearest restroom?
There's a restroom just past the security check on your right.
Thanks again. Have a good day.
You too.
Where's my watch?
Did you check all the bins?
Oh, here it is. Got it. Thanks.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too. Excuse me, is this the gate for the flight to New York?
Yes, it is. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Boarding will start in about 10 minutes. You can take a seat in the waiting area.
Great, I'll wait here. Is there a place to charge my phone nearby?
Yes, there are charging stations next to the seats over there.
Perfect, thank you.
We are now boarding passengers in Group B. Please have your boarding passes ready.
That's my group. Here is my boarding pass.
Thank you. Have a pleasant flight. Do you need any assistance with your carry-on?
No, I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight. Welcome aboard. Your seat is 12A, on the left side of the aisle. Can I help you find space for your carry-on?
Thank you. I think I can manage. Is there a space for my bag in the overhead compartment?
Yes, there should be space. Let me help you if you need it.
Thanks, I've got it.
If you need any assistance, please let us know.
Will do. How long is the flight to New York?
The flight duration is approximately 6 hours. We'll be serving meals and refreshments during the flight.
Great, thanks again.
Enjoy your flight.
I will.
Here is a menu of the meals and drinks we'll be serving today. Do you have any dietary restrictions or preferences?
I'm vegetarian. Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have a vegetarian meal option. Would you like to reserve one?
Yes, please. That would be great.
I've noted your preference. If you need anything else during the flight, just let us know.
Will do. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Navigating the airport involves a series of important steps, each with its own set of procedures and interactions. By understanding and practicing these common conversations, travelers can feel more confident and prepared. Whether it's checking in your luggage, passing through security, or finding your boarding gate, these dialogues are designed to help you manage your airport experience efficiently and stress-free. Safe travels!
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share to keep the English learning journey alive.